Hey, what's up guys, it's me Kiran back with another video. So today I'm gonna reviewing this Mi powerbank 10,000 mAh Indian variant. I have been using this product for the past few weeks. I'll share my experience, how it is performed and what are the pros of it. So I quickly unbox this and will show you the box contents of what are the things you're getting with this package. To left and right of the box, it is mentioned Mi Powerbank 2i 10,000 mAh. I stands for Indian manufacturing. And to the back of the box, it is mentioned some specifications like input and output and the cell capacity 10,000 mAh and input port like micro USB port. All those things which I show you when I unbox this. And to the top of the box, it is mentioned some specifications like aluminium casing, two-way fast charge and lithium polymer battery. I quickly unbox this and show you the physical overview of this product. So in the box we'll be getting a power bank of 10,000 mAh, a red color edition. Also black color edition is also available, but I purchased the red color edition. And along with the power bank we'll be getting a micro USB cable. To the top of the power bank we'll be getting a 2 output USB port, type A port, and on and off power button and a micro USB port in order to charge the power bank. And we'll be getting a 4 LED indication light while charging and discharging of the power bank. So guys, along with the power bank and the USB cable, you'll also be getting a user manual, so you can just go through it if you want. The first pro that I observed is the design and the build quality, which is very excellent. What I can say is, and you will be also getting a sleek aluminum casing as it is mentioned on the box, and the sides are round edges and smooth surface and shiny surface all around. And the weight distribution is also excellent. What I can say is, you feel like you're holding a 6000 or 5000 mAh power bank. Coming to overall performance, it is very good. It supports 10 watt charging and it also supports 15 watt fast charging, which is a good thing. And you can charge two devices at a time simultaneously, so no issues while charging. And it is taking around 2 hours to charge a 4000 mAh device. The con that I observed is they are providing a micro USB cable, so that's the thing I didn't like. They should provide at least a type C cable also along with this micro USB cable, because nowadays smartphones are launching with the type C port also. So that is the only con that I observed. Rest the overall performance is excellent. What I can say is, that's it for now guys. Thanks for watching, and I surely recommend you to purchase this power bank at a price of 899 Indian rupees. I'll put a link in the description box below. Make sure you check out, and you can definitely purchase this amazing product and no issues while charging or while discharging of this power bank. Thanks for watching. This is your Kiran signing off. Catch you guys in my next video.